put the wipers into the service position, you need to turn the car to the on position and then hold up on the wiper stalk. The wipers will start going, and while they're going, you want to turn the car off and still hold up on the wiper stalk, and they will stop in the service position.
Raise the wiper blade arm and flip the blade perpendicular to the arm. Push the tab and pull down to remove the blade from the arm. Align the center of the new blade with the J-hook on the arm. Once the blade is in place, slide the blade up the arm until it clicks. Gently lower the wiper blade to the windshield. It's best to scrape off ice and snow from the windshield before using your wipers. The layer of ice is known to have sharp edges that can reduce the effectiveness of the micro edge of the rubber wiper blade. Always replace both wiper blades, even if only one side is streaking. The rubber on the opposite side is likely worn as well. If you have a rear wiper blade, we suggest replacing that one too. Since washer fluid and wiper blades usually go hand in hand, we would recommend filling up your washer fluid anytime you change your wiper blades. Changing your wiper blades and upgrading to Sylvania Silver Star Ultra bulbs will optimize your visibility through your windshield and down the road.